Hey guys, welcome to Cosplay Life. I'm Air Bear and today I'm just going to give you like a life update and show you some of the projects that I've been working on because it's been a minute. Some of you may know, some of you may not know, I am a special ed teacher and so I have been busy teaching and that has left very little time for me to edit videos and make costumes. So it was like one or the other. Costumes won. So I have not been making as many videos and the videos take a long time for me to do. I don't know why. So anywho, there haven't been very many videos, but I have been working on costumes. I have a lot of things I've been doing. So yeah, I'm gonna show you some pictures of some stuff. Like I'm just gonna slideshow some pictures. I'm gonna insert pictures here. Yeah, so what I was planning on doing was if there are any of those, I've already did like a talk through for Tamatoa, but if there are any of the other ones that you saw that you want like a talk through of how I made some of the stuff, just let me know in the comment section. If I have time, I will get to it. Yeah, it just kind of gives me an idea of what you guys are interested in. With the whole pandemic, the coronavirus stuff, I have a little bit more time at home and so I'm not spending as much time at school. I'm still working from home, but before I would stay at school like super late, make sure I get all my work done, and then I would go home. But like now that I'm at home, it's like once 3 o'clock hits, I'm done. And so I'm working on my stuff because I'm a very strong believer in separation of like work and play. And so what I would do is I would leave all my work at school and I would do all my work at school. And then when I came home, I would play, but it would be really late. So now I'm always home. So as soon as work is over, I'm like, now it's time to play because I play hard. So anywho, let me show you some of the projects. Like, let me show you what's like top on my list of what we are working on right now. First, let me show you this. So the first thing, you know, I like weird cosplays. So like, you know, I did Taka, I did Tamatoa. Let's throw another weird one in. I want to do Rafiki. Rafiki from The Lion King. So here is my drawing that I was thinking of for Rafiki. This is kind of what's going on in my head. I don't want to look completely like an ugly monkey. So I'm gonna take pieces of it and then hopefully make it look good. We'll see. Let me show you something else I'm really excited about. Okay, but first, okay, I'm gonna show you what I'm really excited about, but I'm gonna show you this. This is another project I wanna work on. This is my cosplay room. I've been wanting to do a tour for a while, but I've never gotten it straight in here. So it is butt ugly. It's horrible, it's messy. There's always stuff all over the place. So this is something I want to work on. Now that I have more time at home, I want to redesign this room. So that is something I'm hoping to do along with you. Unless I can't figure out how to do it, then you will never see that video. But let me show you this thing. Okay, so this is like the 3rd or 4th iteration of Jasmine. And I am super in love with this thing. Like I was in love with that one. That one was my favorite, but this one, oh my goodness. She is gorgeous. So yes, if you want a talk through of how I did it and what I'm still working on, like there's some things I'm still adding to it and working on. I was gonna let this one be a competition piece, but the place I wanted to go to was canceled because of the coronavirus. Oh, and look at this. Look at this. I didn't make this, but oh my gosh, I found it at Target. It's so cute. I had to steal it off of a mannequin in order to have it. So anywho, that's something that I'm super excited about. That's also why I have this hair in, because it's Jasmine hair. So I will show you a picture of what she looks like before I did some of the last embellishments on her. So yeah, I think that's it for a channel update, or life update. It's not really a channel update because I can't promise you anything new. I can't. But that's life. And other than that, I think that's it. So if you like this video, I hope this one was a short one. It's not that short. They're never that short. If you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Share it with your friends if you saw anything that any of your friends may like. If you like this channel, make sure you hit subscribe and click on the notification bell so you can get a notification the next time I have a video that comes out. Yeah. If you have any comments or questions, or if there's anything that you want to see, like any of the pictures that you saw that you want to see more of, go ahead and leave that in the comments section below. Until next time, deuces. That's why I always say at the end of videos, deuces. I've done like 12 videos, not 12, I did 2. I did 2 videos of which I did not say deuces at the end, so sorry. Deuces.